Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today, let's review the letters we've learned from A to F. A, B, C, D, E, F with the ladybird. Have a great day. Let's all learn the letter A together with the ladybug, everyone. A for alligator. Today, let's continue learning with the letter B. B for bear. Let's get started.
It's for bear, big and brown. B is for ball, bouncing brown. B is for banana, so tasty and sweet. B is for balloon, floating in the sky. Along with me, let's learn the letter B. That's as easy as can be. Come on and sing with glee. Oh yeah. B for bear, B for ball, B for banana. That's not all. Let's dance and have some fun. Come on, everyone. Come on and sing with glee. Oh yeah. B for bear, B for ball, B for banana. That's not all. Let's dance and have some fun. Come on, everyone. It's for bear, big and brown. B is for ball, bouncing brown. B is for banana, so tasty and sweet. B is for balloon, floating in the sky. Along with me, let's learn the letter B. That's as easy as can be. Come on and sing with glee. Oh yeah. B for bear, B for ball, B for banana. That's not all. Let's dance and have some fun. Come on, everyone. Come on and sing with glee. Oh yeah. B for bear, B for ball, B for banana. That's not all. Let's dance and have some fun.
Hello everyone. We meet again in our lesson on the letter C. Today we have C for cat, C for cup, and a cat in a cup. Let's get started together. everyone, welcome back to learning the alphabet through animals. Today, we will continue with the letter D, as in D for dog, and also introduce another adorable animal, duck, as in D for duck. Let's get started.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here up, there up, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here up, there up, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Hello everyone, today we return to the letter E. Try to guess which animals will be included under letter E. Let's get started right away. E for elephant, elephant, E, elephant. E for egg, and elephant. Welcome back to our alphabet learning session with Ladybug. Today, we are going to learn about the letter F. F stands for frog, and another adorable animal, F for fox. Let's explore these together. Enjoy!